Stop by and take a look at the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, engine block heater, fog lamps, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find rear view camera, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, radio data system, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.